everyone, welcome or welcome back. My name is Sally. I'm a mom and a wife who loves to spread happiness through personalized cakes, simple recipes, and personal vlogs. Here on my channel, I treat it as my internet time capsule. I currently upload 2 videos a week, which are on Tuesdays and Fridays. You can easily support my channel by joining the free subscription and hitting that notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video. There are more ways that you can support by giving my video a thumbs up, as it lets me know that you enjoyed the content. Commenting allows me to interact and build connections with you. It's probably the thing I look forward to the most. In today's video, as you can see, I'm putting together another letter cake for a graduate. Congratulations, Megan. What an accomplishment to graduate from University of Portland School of Nursing. When I am told a specific theme, I brainstorm my ideas on how and what I want to collage together. The toppings consist of a few handmade personalized items. My most favorite thing I like to add on cakes is to add a personalized touch, whether it's a photo of the celebrant or even a personal message, which I included into this rolled up diploma. On top of the handmade items are some store-bought candies. When I go to the store, I'm in the candy aisle for a good minute hunting for candies that would go good with the color theme. I also add non-edible items like these colored Mardi Gras bead necklaces and a plastic syringe to help highlight the nurse theme. And of course, you know I love my chocolate covered strawberries. I did a few simple dipped designs and threw on some gold flakes. And now it's time to decorate. My favorite part is assembling the toppings and seeing it all come together. Thank you to everyone who stuck by my side during my YouTube journey, and for those who have given me the opportunity to create a cake for them. I appreciate all your love and support. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to inspiring you in future videos.